Before we go ahead with the question, let me show you a simple example. Let's say you have 6 plants. This is how we can plant them. Did you notice something? There are 2 rows and there are 3 columns. Now, if I wanted the number of rows to be the same as the number of columns, how many more plants would I need? There, 3 more. You see that? Now we have 3 rows and 3 columns. So how many plants do we have in all? 9, which happens to be a perfect square. And this is the logic that we need here. The gardener has 1000 plants. He has to plant them in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remains the same. Now what we need to do is, we need to see if 1000 is a perfect square or not. Very clearly it is not. So what we need to do is, the number which should be added to 1000 to make it a perfect square is what our answer is. Right? So let's first calculate the square root of 1000 by the long division method. You see that? Now, the remainder, as you can see, is 39. So 31 square clearly is less than 1000. Now the next number after 31, that is 32. And 32 square is 1024. So the number of plants which need to be added is 32 square, which is 1024, minus 1000, or 24. So once we add 24 plants, we have 1024 plants, which is a perfect square, and there will be 32 rows and 32 columns.